Boom, boom, boom. So what you say for that? Sweet, 104 pieces in here. So let's play with it. Boom, boom, boom. Yeah, I was thinking I'm gonna do it on the trailie and just directly throw it on the 2-second trailies, but yeah, I decided to take them in, so that's how they look like. Sweet. And that's only like one pallet, 104 pieces. So okie dokie, ladies and gents, just slowly getting into the rhythm with them. And yeah, got tiny setup, of course something in the background, one tiny bucket for wires. As you see, there's not much wires in that thingy. One for the shred, one for the copper. Sometimes I find some easy coil, so I pull that out. Some for alu, some for stainless, some for brass. And actually right here I got tiny modules what stick inside, you'll see in a moment. And there's for trash as well. Power supply motherboards end up in that box, so I got something to throw. And actually logic boards end up in here for now, as that will be like slightly bigger pile. I'm gonna go through them and pick up few elements. And yep, basically 3 machines, and that's how it go. So first, coming out the stainless steel screws. Washer are not stainless, but there's a little trick on them, because they are not falling out screw, so they're not gonna come like that. You got to push it a little bit more and then catch the second thread at the top. So as far as this far is gone, there's one more stainless here with the tiny washer. That's all our stainless. And then those thingy opening quite easy, and the cover just coming off, and inside we got like some kind of gummy covered with the steel wire. So to the bucket, and that's really clean piece of alu. So, and there are those modules what I talk about. They're just coming out, nothing really interesting in them. Few copper spools, and that's all. So handful of them. All what I do, I will fish out those circuitry from inside. So, and it's also quite easy. Later on, clip, snap, clip, boom. That's supposed to give me access to those plasticky covers. Oh yeah, I forget about those. 1, 2, 3, 4 little gold pins and tiny circuitry inside, but yeps, they end up in here. And this thingy coming off to the bucket. And yeps, few screws to undo. But before I begin with the screws, I'm gonna break off those heatsink. They are stainless steel, I guess. Okay, and now I got two kind of screws. stainless one here, and those two are not stainless, but they are Phillips. So there are also some heatsink on the IC chips, and that's basically all if we talk about Phillips. Then I switch to Torx. No, not yet. First I need to cut some wires. Snap, cut, come out 2 ferrites, and that's basically all wiring what we get from this device. So not really a lot, but oh well. Then we switch into the okay, tiny handful of screw, all magnetic. 3 more in here. No. And actually there's holder for analog IC, also magnetic. And now the power supply is, or is not. Two pieces of magnetic steel. That's our power supply. All what I want to do, just take this IC, and the rest, yeah, just go to the bucket. And second circuitry, oh, I missed one. One stainless. Second circuitry coming out, and basically there are, at some of them, there are gold pins here, 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 and here, and those 2 4 sockets, and there's one more. But basically all what I want to get, that will be those, I guess those kind of resistors. 1, 2. There's also one under here, but to get in this one, I got to get rid of those stainless steel piece. So I forget about this one, get those 2. And there's one jumper as well. And yips, there's one more piece of alu. There we go. And that's it. After I get like bigger pile out there, then I go through them. And yes, we got left our brassy connector, and this piece is alu. So yep, alu, and yep, to get them off, I go to the device, grab my wrench, and just loose them. Yep, it's easier to go one by one, because then I got a little bit more space. And they are also quite easy to process. You just push this pin out from this side and all plastic coming out. And one more. Oh, one try ran away. Come back there. And in here I got as well one plastic one, what I want to take away. Okay, that gives me an extra piece of wire. And there's one more thing what I forget to do. Go back here. Tiny little gummy around. So that's full process of scrapping them. And yep, as you can see, it's quite easy. And yeah, I'm gonna spend on that, I guess, next few days. So boom. Hello there, ladies and gents. Yeah, little update. I get through few of those devices, and some of them got a gold flash on them. So that's awesome. Not crazy a lot, but yeah, some of it. So maybe I will be able to get much better price for those, comparing to what's laying in that box out there. Anyway, there are not so many, just few so far. All rest is just like without gold. But yeah, so far I get so many of those inductors. I forget what was there, but they clearly silver plated and so on, so that will be cool. Pom pom pom. Yeah, brassy bucket getting heavy. And yep, so far hey, there you go, low grades. I also pinched like 2 IC chips from there. And yep, that's how the pile looking, slowly going down. And yep, that's the already done part. So, and I start a new pile out there. Yep, so let's continue on with the good news of gold plating in them. And yep, it's get a little bit hot, so I got the fan. And yep, okie dokie, let's play further. So see you for now. Okay, so got another one, another golden one, so that's cool. The pile slowly grow with the goldens, and this one actually got surprise as well. Full with ants. Actually, this tiny gummy ring was broken here, and that way those buggers go inside. There was plenty of them in here. Okie dokie, so let's continue on. Pom pom pom, ladies and gents, all done. It took a while, but oh yeah, all covers of that amplifiers are empty, ready to go. And as you can see, there's one more pile out there, actually 2 pile, and it's about 15 piece in one tiny tower. There's some more, and at all it's gonna be about, yeah, one weight like 2 kilo 384 grams. So that's gonna be about 245 kilograms. The whole load when I bring it, it weighed 340 kilos. So that means I got another 95 kilo in e-waste, just low grade. No, I don't think that will be 195 kilos, but yeah, maybe 30, something like that. And yeah, as well, what else do I got out of them? There's still some circuitry, and most of them, they are low grade, but some of them got gold pins on them. And that's basically all what I'm gonna take out from here. Rest are just circuitry with one resistor or one capacitor inside that tiny plasticky stuff. Yeah, that's all the trash. Those plasticky stuff, yeah, I guess like 3-4 kilos. 2 buckets of stainless, not so heavy. Little bit of alu, there's 2 kilos, not much. Yeah, tiny bit of copper, don't even count it. And yep, that's all the trash of it. So 1 bucket, I don't know, 5-6 kilos. And a little bit of wire, not much. And there's brassy pluggies. Oh, they are heavy. They at least got, yeah, I guess like 5 to 7 kilos. That's my guess. Let's check it out. Oh, 5 to 7 kilos. It's telling me 12. Okay, so they're quite easy to take apart. Just few tap with the hammer and those brassy thingy sticking out together with the plastic, and yips. There we go. Brass, and what else? What else? Oh, there's tiny, also cast alu, tiny little bricks. Plenty of them. I'm not sure. Probably I'm gonna keep them for maybe melting. They are good size. And yips. I can always drop it into the cast alu later on. And yips. Glass full of those fuses. They either gonna have like silver, what is quite visible on some of them, especially at this smaller one. They clearly looking like silverish color, so awesome. A little weight in here. One tiny glass of MOSFETs, IC chips and so on. That small thingies. And box of that stuff. They got like gold plated pins, and that's basically all what I go after in here, because inside it's either way 1 resistor or 1 capacitor. There's one without the cover, so we got 3 pins and look like some kind of resistors and caps, and that's all. So, and they all look like so, plus some fuses what will fit to the car. I don't know what I'm gonna do with them. Anyway, quite box of them, and yeah, there's still some wire to cut, tiny bunch, and candy on the cake. That's gonna be those little thingies. Unfortunately, most of them are branded NEC, and I open up 2 of NECs, and they got IC chip instead of gold, like this one for example. This is Motorola, this one is RFMD, also visible gold, and Philips as well, visible gold. Anyway, handful of them. Let's hope not all of them will have IC chip, because I do see difference with the numbers. And yeah, so ladies and gents, that's the result of the cast alu RF amplifiers, and that's, yeah, I count mostly on profit on this thingy, and I guess that's gonna be a good profit. Anyway, so ladies and gents, hope you like it, hope you enjoy it. I had fun with them. I was thinking about getting another trolley of them if they're still available, but yeah, first I need to load it on the trolley and drop it to the scrapyard. So let me play with that, and I will see you all at the next one. Bye for now.